So if you're looking for a business that you can start in this 2025, then make sure you watch this video. Businesses that you can start in the food industry is starting a food niched business. I mean, you are going to be specialized in a particular kind of food. You're going to be known for a particular type of the food business. You're going to have your specialty on one type of food. This business idea is something that you can easily start because you do not need to start preparing all the type of food to start a food business, right? You can just specialize on one. For instance, how to make delicious porridge beans with plantain, fried plantain. Then you can start this type of business specializing in just porridge beans and plantain. If you know how to prepare masa, you know how to make ukwa, abacha, delicious yam and egg sauce, you know how to make bole, you know, akara, just you know how to be creative when it comes to food, then you can start this business. When it comes to ukwa, they know you for ukwa. When it comes to agidi, they know you for agidi. When it comes to masa, they know you for masa. You know, you don't need to do all kind of food. You just need to specialize on a particular food. Even if you want to make maybe traditional food, maybe groundnut soup, they should know you for groundnut soup and pounded yam, or know you for banga soup and starch. You do not need to do egusi ogbono, this one, that one. For anyone looking to go into food business, and maybe you're saying, okay, you don't really have capital to cook rice, cook beans, cook yam, do this one, do that one, this is a perfect business idea for you. Starting a niched food business, this is something that you can easily start. You're someone that go extra mile when it comes to recreating food, making sure that people enjoy your meal, then this kind of business is actually for you. Let me give you an instance. When we lived in the north, right, in Kano State, there is this woman that we normally go to buy, you know, this akara bread. You know, they soak bread in akara and they fry it. Jesus Christ. You see, you can travel from our location down to Galadima those days in Kano just to go and queue and make sure we buy it. And that woman was known for that akara and bread type of recipe, and also that egg and yam. You know, the egg after boiling the yam and you dip it in the egg and fry. That woman was known for these two types, and you need to see the queue. We used to travel all the way from outside Sabongeri to come inside Sabongeri buy from her because she was known for it. If you haven't eaten that particular thing from that woman, or more, you've not even started, you've not been in Kano State, you get. So this is what I call food niched business. Be known for a specific kind of food and be a master. So guys, that is all for this business. So in case you want to know more about, you want to ask questions, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. So guys, thank you for sticking to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.